Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable Two-Factor Authenticator in Paperless-ngx. Let's start. First, open your web browser and open your Paperless website by typing your URL. If you don't have Paperless account, tell your IT administrator to create one for you and ask username and password of your newly created account. In my case, I already have username and password. Let me log in. Okay, I have successfully logged into my account. Now, in order to enable the Two-Factor Authenticator for security purpose, move your mouse to your profile and click on My Profile. And here you will see the Two-Factor Authentication. Click on the arrow button and you will see the QR code. Now, to scan this, you have to download the Authenticator app in your mobile phone. Let me download the Google Authenticator. Open your Play Store. Click on Search and type Google Authenticator. Click here on Google Authenticator. Click on Install and click on Open. You will find the plus button right side of the bottom with color. Tap on the plus sign and tap on Scan a QR code. Now, scan the QR code display on your computer with your phone. Now, you will see the code generated by the Google Authenticator for your Paperless account. Now, go to your computer and type the code generated in the Google Authenticator and click on Enable button. Remember, the code will be last only for 1 minute and thereafter it will generate new code. You have to finish typing the code and click Enable button before the code number get expired. You can also copy and paste this recovery code in Microsoft Word or in text file and save it somewhere else securely. You will need in future, in case, if your Authenticator app is not working. Now click on Save. To confirm, let me log out and sign in once again. It should ask verification code when I sign in. Click on the Sign In. Oh, great. Here it's asking the Authenticator code. Now, open your Google Authenticator and check the code number displayed there. Type the code here which is displaying in your phone. And press Sign In. Now I'm logging. It's successful. We have successfully enabled Two-Factor Authenticators in our Paperless-ngx account. Next, I also want to show you how to install Paperless-ngx in your computer. Let's say you don't want to, time and again, open the web browser and type the Paperless URL. How can you install web application in your computer? Don't worry, I will show how to install it. Just open the web browser once again and type your URL. At the right side of your address bar, you will see one square box. Just click on it and install the Paperless-ngx app. Click on the Install button here. It's asking, would you like to pin Paperless-ngx to your taskbar? Yes, I want to. That's it. You have successfully installed the app. You can also install the app in your mobile phone with this same procedure. Let me log out and close everything. Now you see the shortcut of Paperless-ngx, which I have just installed in front of you. Now I don't have to, time and again, open the browser and type URL. Just double-click this icon and it will directly open the Paperless-ngx app. Type your user credential here and press Sign In button. Once again, it's asking the authentication code. Let me type the code and press Sign In. It's success. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button below so that you will not miss any of my future video which is yet to publish very soon. Tashi Delik, and once again thank you.